everyone! In this video, you'll learn how to insert over 40 symbols in MS Word using a simple trick, Alt+x. These shortcuts will save your time and make your work faster and easier. Let's begin! To insert the telephone icon, type 2706 and press Alt+x to see it instantly. Type 1F56A, then hit Alt+x and the speaker icon will appear. Enter 1F56E on your keyboard and press Alt+x to get the book logo. Simply type 2709, press Alt+x, and it converts into the mail logo. Use the code 1F5FC, then press Alt+x to insert the Tokyo Tower. If you type 1F321 and press Alt+x, you will get the temperature icon. Just enter 1F3A4, hit Alt+x, and the mic logo shows up. Add 1F319, then press Alt+x to quickly insert the moon logo. Write 1F30D, press Alt+x, and watch it turn into the Earth symbol. You can insert the ant by typing 1F41C and pressing Alt+x. Enter the code 1F6A5, hit Alt+x, and the traffic signal appears. Type 1F41D first, then press Alt+x to get the beat. Just type 1F385 and press Alt+x to display the Father Christmas. Use 24D0 with Alt+x to instantly create the circled A symbol. To get the circled B symbol, simply type 24D1 and press Alt+x. Input 1F6C4, press Alt+x, and the first aid symbol will show. Enter 1F3B5, then hit Alt+x to generate the music icon. Type 1F366, press Alt+x, and the ice cream pops up. With 1F45A, press Alt+x and insert the dress logo. You just need to type 1F46E and press Alt+x for the police officer. Add the code 1F4BD, then press Alt+x to see the ring logo. Type 1F56B, hit Alt+x, and it becomes the loudspeaker. Enter 1F58B, press Alt+x, and ink pen symbol appears instantly. Use 1F01D, then press Alt+x to display the shaking hands. Write the code 1F95A, press Alt+x, and insert the egg. Just type 1F5F8, followed by Alt+x to get the check symbol. Input 2600, then press Alt+x to show the sun logo. Type 1F6F5 and quickly press Alt+x to insert the bike symbol. Enter 1F4F6, hit Alt+x, and see the signal icon on screen. By typing 1F4BB and pressing Alt+x, you can get the laptop symbol. Type 1F6A8, then Alt+x, and the police siren will appear. Enter 1F6C9, press Alt+x, and it transforms into a human. Use 1F3CF and press Alt+x to create the sports car. Just type 1F5B3, hit Alt+x, and you're done with the old computer. To quickly insert the shopping cart, type 1F6D2 and press Alt+x. Type 1F394, press Alt+x, and instantly get the heart symbol. Enter 1F4AA, then press Alt+x to bring up the bicep symbol. Use the shortcut 1F36 with Alt+x for the chili icon. Type 1F334 and press Alt+x to convert it into the plant symbol. Just add 1F324, press Alt+x, and the cloud symbol appears. Input 1F319, press Alt+X and see the moon symbol instantly. Type 1F30E, then press Alt+X and the map shows up. Enter 1F6E6, hit Alt+X, and the fighter jet symbol is inserted. Use 1F6E7, press Alt+X, and the airplane will display. Finally, type 1F691, press Alt+X, and get the ambulance symbol. Now you know how to quickly insert symbols in MS Word using Alt+X shortcuts. Practice these shortcuts and improve your speed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.